This dashboard will likely be used by the head of a network operations center to provide an overview of end-to-end network health and performance and can be configured to reflect your priorities. The service territory view is broken down into subdivisions, which can be by substation, zip code, or another delineation as required by the business. Here, we are tracking the last 7 days of events in terms of severity to quickly identify which systems are causing the most problems. The graph on the left is showing that the AMI RF mesh network is generating the majority of alarms. This graph shows the top 5 event types that are occurring across all of the monitored networks and can show recurring power issues, which may indicate that you have a wider problem propagating across your system. These 3 dials are monitoring the performance of the system in real time. Here we can see declining signal strength or limited backhaul connectivity, indicating an impending problem. The operational view can be used to see details of particular alarms. The situational awareness view illustrates geographically exactly which device is causing an issue. The event monitoring view shows real-time events and user-configured alarms. For example, this critical alarm is defined by GridMaven Network Manager and comprises a combination of concurrent events. The alarms can be grouped to form key events such as security violations or power outages, enabling the network operator to manage an abundance of alarms while having the ability to quickly identify the root cause. Alarms can be filtered by network, device type, geographic location, status, and alarm type. Using role-based security, the network operator can select multiple alarms, craft a message, and share the knowledge across the enterprise. Detailed event information can also be forwarded to a workforce management system. Through the situational awareness view, the network operator can see each device's end-to-end connectivity and where in the topology of the network an issue is taking place. The tool also illustrates the links between the networks with the click of a button. Here, we are analyzing the occurrence of major events on a particular circuit within the cellular backhaul network. These data analysis results are then displayed in graph, table, and list form. This tool captures the entire event lifecycle, which is then used to calculate the key metrics of mean time to respond and mean time to repair. Mean time between failure can be calculated at the network or device level and then shared with other operational areas like asset management to improve system uptime. GridMaven Network Manager enables the network operator to configure several types of correlation event alarms. Here, we see a correlation event alerting us to a potential missing meter read. The correlation rule shows the concurrent occurrence of 3 different source events which have triggered the correlation alarm, resulting in faster issue identification and resolution, reducing lost revenue and the need for estimation. For proactive performance monitoring, KPIs are used to enable the network operator to identify network degradation against baselines and optimize network planning by measuring and comparing vendor SLAs. For example, if we have an SLA with a vendor to maintain a minimum cellular signal strength, we can predefine parameters to trigger an alarm if the signal strength deteriorates below a threshold, indicating a vegetation issue or a capacity degradation problem. We can then select the devices to which the SLA is applied in order to monitor a segment or the entire network. We hope you've enjoyed this introduction to GridMaven Network Manager. For more information, please contact us.